Well, hello there, kindergartners. It's Miss Hess here in the library with my friend Mackie. Hi! Mackie stopped by to see what was happening in the library. Hi! Do you see anything other than hi, Mackie? Hi! You're so funny. What you doing? Well, Mackie, I was going to read a story to my kindergartners. I don't see them. Well, Mackie, we're making a video for them that they watch in their houses when they have time to hear a story. Oh, okay. Can I hear a story too? Well, yeah, sure. Good. So the only thing is, I have to hold the book right where you are. Oh, okay. Well, would you mind sitting in the seat over there? Okay, that'll be okay with me. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put Mackie in the little chair. You know, we're sitting at that little green table. It's a little table just for me. Yeah, it is. It's just right for you. So we're going to set him in the little chair there, and he's going to listen while I read to you. Okay, just 1 second. Okay, Mackie, there you go. Okay, we'll let you come on later. All right, kindergartners. So today we're going to do this book called The Thankful Book. And it's by one of my favorite authors in the whole wide world, Mr. Todd Parr. So Todd Parr writes the words and does the illustrations. So he's the author and the illustrator of this wonderful book. And we chose this one because thankful is a really good frame of mind to be in, especially these days when everything's kind of different in our lives, right? So we're going to have a look at this thankful book. How you doing over there, Mackie? Okay. All right, can you see? Uh-huh. All right, here we go. Every day I try to think about the things I am thankful for. Miss Hess does that first thing in the morning. Sometimes I write it down. I just say, wow, I am so lucky. I have so much to be thankful for. What does thankful mean? You're right. I know you're out there saying, well, when you're thankful, it means you're like glad in your heart for the things that you have in your life, right? Okay. I am thankful for my hair because it makes me unique. Unique means, that's a fancy word for special. I am thankful for my ears because they let me hear the words, I love you. Tweet, tweet. You like it, Mackie? Uh-huh. I am thankful for my garden because I like to watch things grow. I am thankful for my shadow because it makes me look taller. Now for Miss Hess, I don't really need to look any taller. Actually, when I look at my shadow on the ground and I look taller, it's kind of hilarious. I am thankful for bubble baths because they keep me squeaky clean. I am thankful for my underwear because I like to wear it on my head. Ah, what? On my head? That's funny, isn't it? I am thankful for my friends because they make me smile. I am thankful for my pets because they keep me warm. I am thankful for vacations because I get to see new people and places. I am thankful for walks because they are special times for just you and me. And boy, that's something that's really nice if we get to do that these days, right? Because we have to stay in the house a lot. So when we get to go outside and go for walks, oh, it's so wonderful. I I am thankful for my hands because they help me give special gifts. I am thankful for my feet because they help me run and play. Very important to have feet, isn't it? I am thankful for music because it makes me want to dance. Do, 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 do. There you go. Mackie's getting down over there. Do, 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 do. I am thankful for colors because they make me want to paint. Makes you want to go watch Miss Schwartz and do some projects, right? I am thankful for school because I love to learn new things. Even at home, boys and girls, we're still learning new things, right? I am thankful for the library because it is filled with endless adventures. Yay, library! Woo! Yay! Yay! I am thankful for healthy food because it keeps me strong. Let me see your muscles out there. Yeah, I see those muscles. I am thankful for the fall because I like to jump in the leaves. I am thankful for the winter because I like to build snowmen. And you guys know that Miss Hess loves snow, so this is so true for me. I am thankful for hugs because they make me feel good. And hugs are especially important these days, right? Oh my goodness. I am thankful for kisses because they make me feel loved. I am thankful for holidays because they bring my family together. There are lots of things to be thankful for. Try to remember some of them every day. Love, Todd. Okay. All right. Hang on, guys. I'm going to grab Mackie. Oh, I really like that book, Miss Hess. I hope the kids did too. Well, what did you think out there? Did you like it? I think they liked it, Mackie. I hope so. I did. All right. Well, we hope that you enjoyed today's story. We wanted to cheer you up. It makes me happy to read to you guys and to show you how important books are and how fun they can be, right? Absolutely. All right, everybody. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye, everybody.